In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can do this type of makeup, which is giving a really clean, bronzy, and minimal kind of a vibe. And for doing this makeup, this is going to be my inspiration. And this is going to look really classy as this gives a really warm, clean, and very effortless kind of a vibe. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to do my skincare and I'm just going to apply a usual moisturizer. So I'm just going to apply this moisturizer. And you can do your skincare according to your skin type. After doing my skincare, I'm going to apply this serum as this is really amazing if you have sensitive skin like I do. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. And you can see my base is looking very glossy and dewy. Then for the makeup, first I'm going to do the color correction. As you can see, I don't have an even skin tone. And even if you're doing the clean girl makeup, still you have to do the color correction. So for that, I'm going to use this color corrector, which is from e.l.f. And I'm just only going to apply it on the dark area, especially under my eyes and around this area. Then I'm going to blend this color corrector with this small brush. By the way, this is a series where I share all the Pinterest inspired makeup looks in the easy way in every single video. After blending this color corrector, you can see I have a lot of red bumps and redness on my skin. So first I need to color correct it. And I'm going to use a green color corrector to spot conceal these areas. And I'm not going to apply it on all over my face. Then after this step, I'm going to take a bronzer as we're going to do the underpainting technique because this is a bronze clean girl makeup. First, I'm going to do my bronzing, and for that, I'm going to use this bronzer which is from Nykaa, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone, on the highest point, and on the forehead, and on my nose. As I want my skin to look really bronzy and warm, so first I'm going to do this step. Then I'm going to blend this bronzer into my hairline. And you can see my skin is looking a bit tan and warm. And also on the forehead, I'm going to blend it towards my hairline. Then after blending this bronzer, I'm going to take this skin tint which is from L'Oreal. This is a very lightweight and dewy kind of a skin tint as this gives a very minimal kind of a base. So I'm going to apply it and I'm going to apply it on all over my face. Then I'm going to blend the skin tint on all over my face. And this is giving very dewy and minimal kind of a base, and you can see that. And I'm also gonna apply it on my eyelids as they are really pigmented. You can see my base makeup is looking a bit warm, bronzy, and minimal. So it would be better if you do this bronzing step before the foundation. Then I'm gonna take a concealer. This is from Maybelline, and this is 1 to 2 shades lighter to my skin tone. And I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, but not very close to my eyelids. And also I'm going to apply it here. Then I'm going to blend this concealer with this small blending brush. And I'm going to blend it towards my inner eyelid. Then after this, I'm going to remove any buildup on my brows. As in this look, the eyebrows are looking really bushy and very curated. So for that, I'm going to take a brow gel and I'm going to use this e.l.f. brow gel. And I'll be applying it over my brows in this area like this. And then in the end, I'm going to make an arc. They are looking curated, but they are not looking really bold. So I'm not going to over apply anything on my brows. Then I'm going to take a brow pencil, and this is very close to my natural eyebrow color. And then I'm going to do a very slight eyebrow filling by making a really soft line from the front side. And only just gonna fill the gaps in this area. And if you don't feel the need to fill your brows, there's no need to do it. And I'm just gonna fill it and make a really soft tail from the end. This is looking not extra, but it's giving minimal but curated. Then I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. And then I'll be blending all the harsh line on this brows with this brush. For the eye makeup, which is going to be really simple and bronzy, first I'm going to blend any buildup on my eyelids with this same brush. Then I'm going to take a pressed powder. You can take any kind of powder, loose powder, translucent powder, any powder of your choice, and apply it on your eyelids, as we need to have really matte kind of eyelids, or else your eye makeup is going to separate into your crease line. Then for the eye makeup, I'm going to take this brown shade and I'll be applying the shade in my crease line very softly. And then I'm going to blend it inwards and also outwards. And I'm also going to apply it or blend it into my lower lash line. And after this, I'm going to take a shade which is darker than this one, shade which is close to my bronzer, and I'll be applying it on the outer corner of my eye so that we can have a kind of depth in this area. I'm also going to apply the shade into my lower lash line. I'll be taking a very light shade than these two and I'm going to apply it on my lid, but it should not be applied above the crease line. After this, I'll be taking this brown shimmer shade and be applying the shade on my lid very roughly and also in my inner corner. After doing this, I'm going to take a brown pencil, and this pencil is from Nykaa Cosmetics, and I'll be applying it in my lower lash line and also in my inner corner, and also I'm going to apply it in my waterline, and then I'm going to smoke it towards my outer corner of the eye, and then I'll do this. Also, I'm going to apply some of it on my upper lash line till the center of my lid, and then I'm going to blend it with my finger. After this, I'm going to take a black shade on this type of flat brush and I'm going to make a straight line on my upper lash line. After doing my eye makeup, I'm going to take this mascara which is from Maybelline, and I'll be applying this mascara over my lashes, as there's no need to add fake lashes in the clean girl makeup. Then after this, I'm going to apply a very little bit of a concealer in this area so that it can look really clean. And I'm just only going to apply it here. Then I'm going to blend it towards my hairline and also here. Then after this, I'm going to take a loose powder which is from Maybelline, and this is the same shade of my skin tone. I'm going to buff this brush into this loose powder, and then I'm going to apply it under my eyes. As there is no need to set them completely. Now I'll be taking a powder bronzer. This is from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to apply it the same way I've applied the bronzer earlier. And I'm also going to apply it on my forehead very roughly. And I'm also going to apply this bronzer in the center of my cheek, as this is going to give me very warm kind of cheek. And also on my cupid bow and in my lower lip. Then I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to do the nose contouring with the same bronzer by blending it towards my brows. I'm going to apply this bronzer the same way we apply the blush, because I'm skipping the blush part as there is no need to do it. And if you want to do it, you can go ahead. And now I'll be taking a very warm kind of an highlighter, and this is really warm and brown. So I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand first. And I'm going to apply it on my nose bridge. And also on my nose tip. Also, I'm going to apply it in my inner corner, on the cupid bow, on my cheekbone. Applying this highlighter with your hand or finger is going to make everything look really blended because of the warmth of your hand. Then I'll be darkening my mole, and you can also make fake mole if you want to. And also here. Then for the lips, I'm going to do really brown kind of a lip combo, and to do it I'm going to take this nude brown lip liner and I'll be overlining my lips. Then I'll be applying a brown or peach kind of a lip shade. Then I'll be applying this shimmer lip gloss. This is a brown kind of a lip gloss. Let me know what you think of this look. Did you find it easy and useful? And also, is this giving that bronzy, warm and very clean girl kind of a vibe? And if you liked it and find it useful, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.